And there was a priest in the village, and he said that he would be king. He would be the one that would unite the islands. So the rulers on each of the different islands, their name is. Hold on a second here.
King.
No, hold on. It is. Hold on. I got it. That's it. Thank you. Man, I'm so glad you're here. Ali'i, that's ruling class.
Ali'i.
Ali'i, yes.
Elite.
And so you have these ruling class, these Ali'i on the different islands.
Ali'i.
And believe it or not, they didn't want to lose their power. If you guys were a ruler of an island, one of these islands, would you want to give it up? No. Of course not. So they put a bounty out on the King Kamehameha. If you were to find him, you were to kill him. No questions asked. That's why he's hidden on the big island over on the Hilo side. That's where he was trained to be a king, a ruler, a diplomat, a warrior, a leader. And before he started to come out to the different islands to start taking the islands, there was a country that recognized him as a king. And in the recognition, they gave him some gifts. Does anybody know what country that is? And what did they give him as a gift?
Beer.
Huh?
Beer.
Beer? Yeah, probably, but no. What I'm looking for, I'm looking for guns and cannons.
Ammo.
Yeah.
Powder.
Gunpowder. Yeah, weapons. And why would they do that? So he could come out and take out the different Ali'i and their armies, their warriors. Because all they had were what? And clubs. Yeah. So he needed something a little bit stronger to take out the different warriors on the different islands. And England thought that that would be appropriate. And so they did. And he was very effective with it. Now when he came here to this island, the island of Oahu, like I said earlier, they've got slopes on one side and they've got cliffs on the other. Where we're going to right now is where that battle took place.
Is it island called Oahu, right?
There it is, yes, Oahu. So he gets here and he basically marches the Oahu army up this, they call it the Pali Highway. They hiked him up the highway. And when they got up here, we'll be there in just a minute, a battle started because the majority of the Oahu army did not want to fall off a cliff. It's a 1,000-foot drop. So they had their last stand right there. And you had the warriors fighting to the death. And when it was all over, over 400 warriors, men and women, fell to their death. And you guys will get a chance to see that here in just a minute. That's what it was foretold he would do, and that's what he needed to do. We'll talk a little bit more about the other islands here in a little bit.
What year was that, Jeff?
That was about 17